The ortho offset location allows you to display the different coordinates in the orthographic drawings. Previously, only the coordinates where the model was created were displayed in an ortho drawing. Taking a look here, we'll have one single piece of pipe. And I will go ahead and use my ID command to specify a point and identify its position. You can see its position is at 0 in the X, Y, and Z coordinates. Let's go ahead and we'll take a top view of that. So to use this new feature, we can go into the Project Manager and Project Setup. And we'll go down to where we have our settings for orthographic drawings. We'll go to the Ortho Style Default Settings, and you'll see Offset Location. Here you can change the rotation of the model. We'll go ahead and set that to 10 degrees. And we'll simply set in a distance of 5 feet on each one of the coordinates, the X, the Y, and the Z. And we'll apply those changes. Once you've applied the changes and okayed them, we can switch to the orthographic drawing environment and open our drawing. We'll go ahead and create a view. We'll pick the single pipe drawing that we altered. And now we'll ID that same elevation point. You'll see that it still reads at 0, 0, 0, but if you look in the orthographic, it's going to show you what the coordinates that you've put in, so that's where it's referencing. Although the pipe hasn't technically moved, in the ortho, it's going to show the new location. When you place the view, you'll see that it is skewed. And you can go ahead and annotate it for position. And show those coordinates as well.